Myself, Manimehilai, and with my buddies Janita and Sophia, we all belong to a science department. So our topic is relationship of biology and interest of science. We all know that biology have interrelationship and interdependence on other subjects. Mm, Here I have made an agenda for the following content. So biology has the uh, relationship with an aspect of human and every sciences. When you are studying science, you may have a relationship with that chemistry, physics, geology, etc. So biology is a branch of science that deals with the living organism and their vital processes. When you are studying biology, it also enhances about the botany, conservation, ecology, evolution, marine biology, molecular biology, zoology, etc. So first we are going to see about the relationship of biology with the chemistry. We all know heard about the metabolism process in our body, right? So metabolism process is a kind of chemical reaction in a living organism. So in the metabolism, it consists of two processes. One is anabolism and another one is catabolism. So what is anabolism? It is the synthesis of a complex organisms. If you are having a raw components, it combines to form a complex combinations, like preparation of food, like that. Okay. And catabolism is breaking down of that complex substances. So these are always having a purely chemical phenomena. So in when you see about living organisms, it has organic and inorganic chemical substances in their life. So like DNA, RNA, these are the genetic materials made in a living organism. It's completely made up of chemical substances. So likewise enzymes, hormones and other body fluids, it also having a high amount of chemical substances. So next we move on to the relationship of biology with physics. When you see the physiology of a plant or a physiology of an animal, so it also having physical activity and then energy that's spent with that, right? So when first we are seeing about that plant physiology. So a plant has a transpiration process, evaporation, conduction of water, salts. These are the physical phenomena. And as we said, blood pumping, these all this utilization of energy, obtaining energy from digestion. So these are physical phenomena of biological substances. Okay. So we also using biological instruments that are having a mechanism like a microscope, x-rays, chemotherapy. These are also made with an application of physics. And when you hear the second law of Newton, no transfer of energy occurs unless and until it is accompanied by the degradation or dispersion of energy from a concentrated to dispersed form. We all know the Newton's law, right? So here we are putting some energy to generate or form an form an happenings, right? Like activities. So until we won't give any input energies, it won't happen any activities. So that is also coming under that physics, and that is the reason that an energy flow is ecosystem follows. So every living organism formulating some and generating some energy or utilizing some energy in this kind of process. And the relationship of biology with geology is while we studying about the rocks, soils, these type of things. And when we sing about the fossils of the dead organic matters, so these are all come under the geological studies. And the next one is a relationship of biology with the mathematics and statistics. when we observe the things, every living organism is customized in the structures, like wild animals and senses of wild animals. When you seeing in as in a plant or any flowers, you can see that mathematical theories, like um, with their structures and shapes, countings. Likewise, we may formulating them into a data and analysis. And next one is relationship of biology with sociology. When you see that the sociology is a study of society with the social institutions and the social relationship, here we are also thinking about that so the ecological balance. So these also are relating with that social relationship or the society. And anthropology is a branch of sociology which deals with human related to the origin, distribution, relationship, culture, etc. So next one is relationship of biology with drawing. So drawing is very important skill in biology. As a biology teacher or as in the biology students, they have to structure out the fears of the objects, right? So it may be very helpful for making data for the specimen. Next one is relationship of biology with arts. Some artists do biology as well their art. So we might quite a moment of laboratories, and these in a very artistic manner. They will be aesthetic and pleasureful one. They using the conceptual arts behind the works. Relationship of biology with the environment. So we are also having some kind of relationship with the biology. The environment also plays a vital role in a survival period of the living organism. So it modifies the structures and the shapes and behaviors of the living ones. So the biology plays a vital role in developing a student's positive feeling towards nature. And yeah, here I have concluded my points. Then the biology is not controlled in a point of sessions. It is also having a many relationship with another journals or other concepts too, like some other datas, like. So here we have here I have concluded my points, sorry, our points here. And thank you all. Here I have included my reference sites. You may utilize them for your further reference.